Yep, that's right. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Unspoken Wordz, where we're all about making the natural hair community a community and help you to love yourself and your hair. So in this video, I'm going to be making some DIY deep conditioner with carrot juice. Yes, that's right. If you haven't already seen my carrot challenge, for a month, I will have it in the description box below and in the link popping up right now. So let's get straight to how I make my DIY deep conditioner and what I used for that month challenge for my deep conditioner. So the first thing you're going to need is bentonite clay. And this is what I'm using. This one says for the face, but bentonite clay can be used for the face and for your hair, So I'm putting roughly around 2 tablespoons. You can put 2 teaspoons if you want to, so that's like a tablespoon. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay in your container. I'm going to add some glycerin. So I put about 1 teaspoon of glycerin in this mix. Might have been too much. I don't know. It's up to you. But, we're going to wash it out anyway. So I'm not really bothered about putting how much I put in because I'm going to be washing it out. I'm not keeping it in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my conditioner. So this is the conditioner that I usually use on a day-to-day basis. And add as much as you want or as little as you want, depending on how much you think you are going to use. On this occasion, I did use 2 different conditioners. One of them was a coconut deep conditioner, which is this container that I'm using. It was just the remaining deep conditioner of this container. So I thought I might as well just add it to it. So I used normal conditioner and deep conditioner. I know it's kind of cheating, but hey. So then I add a little bit of water to kind of loosen it up a bit, not make it as thick. But then later on, I did add carrot juice, which is what I should have done. Just use carrot juice plainly and not water. But I will show you. I think the water that I added was about roughly a teaspoon of water. And that's what the mixture that it gave me right here. And yeah, this is me adding that's about 1.5 teaspoons of carrot juice. But I think next time I will just add fully carrot juice and not, normal water. So I'm just kind of mixing that back in to make it this consistency. It was a little bit more, it's not as thick anyway as the other one. This is homemade carrot juice. If you haven't, again, I kind of told you all about it in my carrot challenge video that I posted, both of them, both the introduction and the results of exactly what I was doing. So that's basically it. That's the whole DIY. Yeah, so stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a second version of my deep conditioner. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys, see you in my next video.